Into the pits for his mandatory stop. He has 25 seconds before Reynoso catches him. We'll see what happens. I would expect, as good as his pace was, that he'll just be diving in for the liter of fuel and back out again. We shall see. There's a stop. It's more than a liter of fuel. It's a lot more than 1 liter of fuel. Where is Reynoso? He's finally going again, but Reynoso is coming down the front straight. He will most likely take the place here. 126.4, his best lap of the race. Ogonoski just out in front of him. Oh, this is going to be good. Unbelievably, I think he timed that just right. Reynoso has the run, though, coming up to, what is this, Remus corner. Ogonoski defends with an aggressive line to the inside. Holds the place. Well then, that's something. We've got a race now. Leader into the pits, Kessler with a 126. Dawson with a 129. Ooh, Reynoso right under the spoiler of Ogonoski's car. He will get through on the inside. Ogonoski not giving up. Oh, Reynoso, big slide coming into Pirelli corner. Past the giant bronze bull statue. It's right over there.